Hi, got 5 minutes? Let me show you how to create a new project in SoapJS. This is the first video in the SoapJS in 5 minute series. In this series, we'll build a small backend step by step and use it to explore what you can create with SoapJS. For the demo project, I'll use a simple comic marketplace idea, the comic verse. Nothing fancy yet. In this video, we only create the project and check that everything works. So to create a new SoapJS project, you can run soap create comic verse. You can also pass options directly like the framework, architecture, database, docs, API client, and more, but there are quite a lot of options. So for the first run, I'll use the interactive mode. Soap create comic verse. Now the CLI will ask a few questions. First, the web framework. For now, SoapJS supports Express, so we keep Express. Next, the architecture pattern. I'll choose regular clean architecture. There is also CQRS, but we'll cover that in another video. For the controller layout, I'll choose per route. For databases, I'll select MongoDB. For auth, I'll keep none for now. We don't need authentication in the first video. Messaging, none for now. Real-time, none. Telemetry, logs. Docs, OpenAPI, contracts, none for now. API client, Bruno. This will generate a Bruno collection that we can use to test the API. For API zones, I'll keep public, private, and admin. This is useful because even if we don't need all of them today, the project is ready to grow. Package manager, npm, install dependencies, yes. Initialize Git repository, no, just to keep this demo clean. Now SoapJS shows us the summary. Looks good, so let's generate the project. And that's it. SoapJS created the project folder with the base structure, config files, Docker setup, makefile, package.js, source folder, and generated API tooling. Now let's go into the project, cd comicverse API. First, I'll start the local environment, makeup. This starts the Docker services needed by the project. Next, let's run unit tests. Make test. Now let's run the Bruno API tests. Make Bruno. And finally, let's call the health endpoint. If everything is fine, we get a healthy response from the app. And that's the whole point of this first video. In less than 5 minutes, we created a new SoapJS project, selected the basic architecture, installed dependencies, started Docker, ran tests, ran Bruno, and checked the health endpoint. In the next videos, we'll start adding real features to this project. That's it for this one. If you found this useful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next SoapJS in 5 minutes.